Kieran Wishart.
We are the ones we have been waiting for. It's a statement of our goals and hopes for the future. As Gordy used it to apply to transformative figures like MLK, fighting for civil rights, we too must live up to this statement and guide UN into an age of development, increasing the standard of living in the world and ultimately bringing the UN to further prominence. We can turn third worlds into first worlds. We can do this in by three ways: educate, enable, and then innovate. It was said by one organization that the United Nations would fail to achieve its Millennium Goal for education. Sadly, that organization was the United Nations. We can do better. What we can do is double our resources that we already use, and then once we have done that, use your ever-creative legislation to further this process, because no one has a monopoly on good education ideas. Secondly, we can cut down on corruption. Take for example, the country of Nigeria. Nigeria has extensive oil profits, but none of their money goes to the people. What happens is it gets trapped by bureaucrats in their offices. It is not our job to run these nations, but it is our job to ensure a better future for their people. Finally, we can increase the power of the tech boom to other nations. Currently, most developing nations have 1 in 8 people owning internet. What we can do is to use debt for development swaps in conjunction with the IMF and World Bank to promulgate new development projects. And once these projects succeed, these nations will have to enable their small businesses to further compete and ultimately guide the country out of the boondocks of despair. I still wonder, though, if Kieran Weiser is a leader we have been waiting for. If not, I'm the only one in this room who isn't, because I know this convention is in good hands by leaders like Eric Locke and Harold Duff, but also by those who do not speak like every single one of you guys up here. Because you all are all phenomenal. Thank you, and Godspeed.